This is the student grading system graphical user interface part. First of all, we have a menu, and we can access all of the windows from here. For example, in system menu, we can backup and restore restore the data. For example, when we click the backup button menu item, we are just calling the student grading system backup methods, and when we click the restore menu item, we are just calling the restore methods for every class. And we have student management menu item, grades management menu item, courses, items, and department. When we click the student management menu item, we just showing the student management user interface, and this is the very nice student management. Yes, it's here. Okay, this is the student management window. We are we have fields for the every variable of the class, and we have a table, and we have 3 buttons. When we click the new button, we are just set fields to null, which means they clear the all of the text fields. When we click the save button, we are just checking if there is any empty button. If there is empty text field is if there is no empty text field, and then we are just assigning to student ID to text field 1, which is this, and student number, name, surname, and gender. We are getting the gender with radio buttons, female or male, and we can get the date of birthday with which one is with text field 6. Sorry. And we are converting to the converting date to the string with string birthday. Yes. And then we are creating student lists and assigning to the student grading system .students, and we are checking if there is any record with given this student ID. If answer is yes, we are just student record editing, but the record is new. We are just added to the table, and we have delete button. If you click the delete button, we are just controlling the student ID is empty or not. Is empty, we are just show message dialog to error message. You have to fill student ID. And it's not. We are getting the text field value to the student ID, and we are checking for student lists. If there is if the student ID is equal to student.get student ID, I mean if there is any data record with given student ID, we are just calling the delete student method with passing the student ID parameter to the function, and deleting the student ID given with student ID student. I talk too much student. Okay, then we are just showing message dialog record successfully deleted, and we have refresh table. We are just refreshing the tables. This with creating object which length is 7, and we are assigning to the each row to the related data. ID no number, for example, index 2 equals to the student number. Let me check. 0, 1, 2. Yes, this is the student name. And this is the date to string method. We are passing the date here and return string of data, and it's all. Rest of the classes and management user interfaces are the same with this, and logic are the same as well as the user interface.
and rest of the classes and graphical user interfaces and also logics are the same with this student management panel. Yes, that's all.